In this simulation, we are going to demonstrate how hydrogen and oxygen form water. Water is H2O, so it's made up from one oxygen atom, and you can see it represented in the center, and two hydrogen atoms. An oxygen atom has 6 valence electrons, which means that it has 6 electrons in the outermost shell. So it needs 2 more electrons to complete this shell. However, hydrogen has only 1 valence electron, and it needs only 1 electron to complete its outermost shell. Oxygen and hydrogen are covalently bonded to form water. Oxygen shares 2 pairs of electrons, so it's sharing 1 pair of electrons with each of the 2 hydrogen atoms. The atoms attract each other and they are covalently bonded, which means that they share electrons. Sharing of electrons is what we call covalent bond.